Good morning, students. In this video we'll discuss about the stack operations. Basically we perform three types of operations on the stack. First operation is push, second operation is pop, third operation is display. Push operation is used to add only one element into the stack. Pop operation is used to remove one element from the stack. Display is used to see the contents of the stack, to display all the contents one by one of the stack. To see the working of the stack operations, we have an example here. Consider the stack of 4 integers. Perform the following operations. Redraw the stack after each operation and display the status of the stack top. So we have a stack top variable here with respect to which either push operation is performed or pop operation is performed. So when there are no elements into the stack is known as empty stack, and at that point the top will point to -1. So this is the status of the empty stack. The first operation to be performed is push 200. That is, we want to insert the value 200 into the empty stack. So whenever the stack is empty, top is at -1. In the push operation, initially the top is incremented by 1. Then wherever your top points, at that location the element is added. So here top is -1 plus 1 equal to 0. Top is at 0. The value 200 is added into the stack. So push operation is performed with respect to top. Wherever your top points, at that location the value is inserted. The next element is push -10. So in push operation, initially top is incremented by 1. The previous value of top is 0. New value of top is 0 plus 1 is 1. Top is at 1. At this location -10 is inserted into the stack. Next operation is push 20. In push operation, we have to increment the top by 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Top is pointing to 2. At this location the value 20 is inserted into the stack top. Next operation is pop. Pop operation is used to remove an element from the stack. But which element is removed? Because there are 3 elements. So you cannot remove whichever you want. Which element is removed? Wherever your top is pointing to. The top is pointing at 2th location. So the value which is stored in 2 can only be removed with the pop operation. So whatever is removed, it is stored into the variable element. Then after removing the element, then top is decremented by 1. So here the top value is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So after the pop operation, the top value is 1. Okay. So this is how pop operation works. Next operation is push 500. Okay. So the top value is at 1. In push operation, we initially increment the top by 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Top will point to 2. At this location 500 is inserted into the stack. Okay. This is how your push works. Next operation is push 1000. So whenever push is there, top is incremented by 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. At 3000 is inserted. Okay, this is the status of the stack after push 1000. Next operation is push 11. Now top has reached 3. Top in push operation we increment the top by 1. Top is 3 plus 1 4. Top value has reached the maximum size of the stack. Okay, so it is not possible to insert the new value. We have to display an error message, stack overflow or stack is full. Okay, then next operation is pop. So whenever pop is there, we have to remove one element from the stack. Which element? Wherever your top is pointing to. The top is pointing at 3. 1000 is removed. It is stored into the variable element. Then top is decremented by 1. 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. The new value of top is 2. So this is the status of the stack after the pop operation. Next operation is pop. Whenever there is a pop where a top is pointing to, that element is removed from the stack and it is stored into the variable element. Then top is decremented by 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the new value of top is 1. Pop. So wherever your top is pointing, that element is removed. So the element variable will have the value -10. Then top is decremented by 1. Here it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the new value of top is 0. -10 is removed from the stack. Next is pop. Here the element pointed by top 200 is removed from the stack, stored into the variable element. Then top is decremented by 1. 0 minus 1 is -1. Then pop. So when pop is performed, top is already at -1. So there is no element to delete from the stack. So we have to display an error message stack underflow or stack empty. Okay. This is how push and pop operations are performed on the stack. Thank you, students.